This video is over topic 22, number 3, working with the empirical rule, where you're not necessarily looking at a curve, looking at potentially answering the questions. You could draw your own curve, or you could just look at or know the diagram. So here we have a light bulb manufacturer finds the lifetime of one model of light bulbs is normally distributed with a mean of 1600, standard deviation of 300. So that's the information you'll always be given, the mean and standard deviation, and so that will be used to find that. So what percentage of bulbs would last longer than 1900 hours? I need to look at from 1600 in the middle, starting point. Am I going to add or subtract, first off, the standard deviation? To get to 1900, I have to add. And then adding 300, how many times? Well, 1600 plus 300 gets me to the 1900, so one time. So that means I'm on the curve, I'm at the 1, if this is the mean, I drew that poorly, this is the one that I'm at, the first one. So here, this is the mean, I'm here. Okay, so longer than that would be over here. So this is where the 1900 would fall. I didn't have to find all the labels. I just need to know where the 1900 is. Everything to the right of that is these groups. So 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15 is 16%. All right, then 95%, what you just need to know for 95% is it's going to be plus and minus 2 standard deviations from the mean. So the low end is going to be the mean minus 2 standard deviations, and the high end is going to be the mean plus 2 standard deviations. So 1600 minus 2 times 300, or 1600 minus 300 minus 300 again, is 1000. And 1600 plus 2 times 300, or 1600 plus 300 plus 300 again, is 2200. Then if the life expectancy is 1000, which we figured out here was the mean minus 2 standard deviations. So over here, that would be this position. So here's mean minus 1, mean minus 2. So here's where the 1000 would be. If I want to know what percentage of the bulbs reach that life expectancy, that would be all of the ones that are at least 1000. So I could add up all of these percentages. So 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15. Or you might note that these are a full half, so these should add up to 50, and you can skip adding, like doing that addition. Or you also might say, well, this is everything, so all except those less than 1000. The all is 100%, except means I'm subtracting the 0.15 and the 2.35, or subtracting the result of adding those. 0.15 plus 2.35 is 2.5. So 100 minus 2.5. So whether you add these all up or shortcut that a little bit or do it as subtraction, it is 97.5%.